Welcome to another 3 commas tutorial. How to connect an exchange to 3 commas. For this tutorial, we will be using Coinbase. If you don't use Coinbase for trading crypto, don't worry, as these steps are pretty much the same for all exchanges. Head on over to your crypto exchange of choice and log into your account. Once you've logged into your crypto exchange, navigate to your account profile area. We will need this for later. Next, head on over to 3 commas and log into your account. As you've probably already noticed, this is an active account that will be used for this tutorial. When you first log in, you should default to your dashboard. Let's draw your attention to the left side panel. Click on Exchange. I marked it with a red arrow. Next, make sure your crypto exchange is selected in this field. If you're not using Coinbase Pro, your exchange will be different in this field. Here, you can name your exchange whatever you like or leave the default value. In these 3 fields, you need to set up an API entry on your exchange. Head back to your exchange's account profile area. When you're back in your exchange account, locate the API section. Your exchange's API section will look something like this. I've hidden the public API keys for this tutorial, but they would normally be visible on existing API entries. You should see an option to add an API. Go ahead and click the option to add a new API to your exchange account. An API setup window should look something like this. Here, you can name this new API entry, set the allowed permissions, and generate the new API entry for 3 commas. Finally, submit the API key information into the 3 commas required fields and connect to your exchange. This concludes this tutorial. We hope this tutorial was of use. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and follow for more content.